Picture this. It is Sunday, friends are over, and the steaks are sizzling. You serve the masterpiece, but the inside is completely raw. I ruined a $50 ribeye because my cheap thermometer lagged. Buying a reliable meat thermometer is incredibly frustrating, with confusing tech jargon and wildly inaccurate readings everywhere. But what if you could nail the perfect temperature every single time without the guesswork? Today, I am breaking down the top 5 best meat thermometers for grilling that will transform your barbecue. Stick around, because number 1 is a game changer. 5. Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. This is an ultra-thin, highly advanced probe designed for the modern griller who loves having smart technology seamlessly integrated into their daily cooking process. Right out of the box, you will immediately notice the sleek, premium design of the charging hub, which doubles as a high-tech command center for your grilling sessions. It is distinctly built to blend into a modern kitchen environment while simultaneously offering the rugged durability required for outdoor grilling and heavy smoking. The absolute standout feature here is its unlimited monitoring range, completely powered by a Wi-Fi connection that links the hub directly to your smartphone. When testing this device on a slow smoke pork butt, the built-in speaker on the command hub was a fantastic and unique addition, actively giving clear verbal alerts when the target temperature was rapidly approaching. Furthermore, the ultra-thin design of the stainless steel probes means you leave a much smaller puncture hole in your expensive cuts of meat, effectively keeping all those precious juices locked inside where they belong, rather than spilling out onto your grill grates. However, relying entirely on highly advanced wireless technology does come with a few notable quirks that you will need to manage. While the Chef IQ companion app is densely packed with guided cooking presets and beautiful visuals, it can easily feel a bit overwhelming and cluttered if you just want to do a quick, simple temperature check. Additionally, the unlimited Wi-Fi range is incredibly fantastic when it works perfectly, but if your backyard has spotty internet coverage, the connection becomes quite finicky. When the base drops the Wi-Fi signal, you are forced to rely on a standard Bluetooth connection, which heavily limits how far you can step away from the grill without entirely losing your live temperature data. 4. ThermoPro Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. The unboxing experience immediately feels high-end, featuring a beautifully crafted wooden bamboo charging block that looks absolutely incredible sitting on any kitchen counter or outdoor prep table. The wireless probe itself is a solid piece of high-grade stainless steel, feeling hefty and remarkably durable in the hand. And it boasts dual sensors, fully capable of measuring both the internal temperature of your meat and the ambient temperature of your grill. The ThermoPro is heavily upgraded from its predecessors to handle extreme ambient heat, making it an excellent companion for high-temperature searing directly over blazing hot charcoal. Testing it extensively with a thick, beautifully marbled cut of brisket really showed off the immense processing power of its companion app, which features a highly intuitive advanced algorithm. This intelligent algorithm does not just tell you the current temperature, it actively estimates exactly how long your cook will take and calculates the perfect resting time to ensure your meat naturally carries over to the exact target temperature without accidentally overcooking. The app design is easily one of the best on the market today, offering a beautifully streamlined user interface that guides you step by step through the cooking process. But let us talk about the real-world grilling experience, because the Bluetooth range heavily depends on your specific grilling environment and equipment. If you are using a heavy-duty, thick-walled steel smoker or a heavily insulated ceramic grill, you will likely experience frustrating disconnects due to the thick metal actively blocking the signal. You often have to leave the wooden charging block right next to a scorching hot grill just to act as a signal repeater, which slightly defeats the purpose of roaming completely free around your house. 3. Typhur Sync Wi-Fi Wireless Meat Thermometer. This advanced system takes a completely wireless concept and significantly amps up the overall reliability and daily user experience. Unlike many competing products on the market, the Typhur Sync generously comes equipped with 2 high-quality probes and a highly robust base station that acts as your central grilling hub. This means you can effortlessly monitor 2 completely different cuts of meat, or even manage 2 completely different grills, simultaneously without missing a single beat of the action. One of the greatest and most practical advantages of the Typhur Sync is the base station itself, which thoughtfully features its own built-in crystal clear display screen. This is an absolute game changer when you are out on the patio with greasy, sauce-covered hands trying to manage multiple tasks. You do not always have to frantically pull your expensive smartphone out of your pocket to check the core temperature. A very quick glance at the illuminated base station gives you all the real-time data you need. It brilliantly brings the ultimate convenience of a traditional thermometer into the modern wireless age. The Wi-Fi integration on this unit is remarkably stable, acting as its own highly reliable bridge directly to your home network. During my rigorous testing with a long, slow smoke pork shoulder, the connection remained rock solid, seamlessly providing consistent updates anywhere inside the house. The probes themselves feature advanced multi-point temperature tracking, meaning they read temperatures at several distinct locations along the metal shaft to ensure they are always capturing the absolute true core temperature of the meat, completely removing any lingering guesswork from your probe placement. Build quality and overall battery performance are absolutely top tier, effortlessly handling extremely high ambient grilling temperatures beautifully without showing any signs of hardware stress or failure. 2. ThermoPro TempSpike Plus. This remarkable device proves once and for all that you do not necessarily need a complex, internet-reliant Wi-Fi network to achieve truly incredible wireless range in your backyard. This is a purely Bluetooth-powered beast that proudly boasts an aggressively extended range of up to 600 feet, and to my absolute surprise, it actually delivers on that massive technological promise in real-world, obstacle-heavy backyard environments. The brilliant engineering design perfectly includes a standalone booster block thoroughly equipped with a crystal-clear LCD screen for instant visual feedback. This smart, user-centric engineering allows you to safely keep the booster right in your pocket or sitting peacefully on the patio table next to you while the probe does all the extremely hard work inside the blistering grill. Testing it across a sprawling, heavily wooded backyard, the wireless signal remained incredibly strong and highly responsive, easily penetrating through the thick exterior walls of the house without dropping the connection for even a single second. The dual-sensor stainless steel probe meticulously monitors both the internal meat temperature and the pit's fluctuating ambient temperature simultaneously, actively keeping you fully informed on exactly how your grill is performing. The ThermoPro app is refreshingly straightforward and exceptionally intuitive, completely removing the unnecessary bloatware and confusing menus found in many other competitor apps. It focuses purely on delivering the highly precise data you desperately need to pull your meat at the perfect time, and the built-in alarms are loud and clear enough to easily wake you from a deep barbecue-induced nap. It is completely waterproof, incredibly easy to clean under warm running water, and physically built like an absolute tank to easily withstand the inevitable drops, bumps, and scrapes of outdoor cooking. 1. Thermapen ONE. Unlike the wireless, leave-in smart probes we have thoroughly looked at so far, this is the ultimate, unrivaled instant read thermometer. It is a genuine, undeniable marvel of engineering, and after 5 years in the rigorous making, it firmly represents the absolute gold standard in the culinary world, heavily trusted by top professional chefs and highly serious pitmasters globally. What drastically sets the Thermapen ONE so far apart from the heavy competition is its truly unprecedented, mind-blowing speed. Heavily inspired by new, groundbreaking applications of thermodynamics and material science, it consistently delivers a flawless, true temperature reading in 1 single second or less. When you're frantically managing a blazing hot grill loaded with multiple highly expensive steaks, you simply do not have time to hold your bare hand over the roaring fire waiting for a slow temperature to finally settle. Its extreme responsiveness literally approaches the speed of thought, confidently boasting an incredible accuracy of half a degree. The overall physical build quality and meticulous attention to detail are completely unmatched in the entire thermometer industry. It features a highly rugged, perfectly retooled construction that is totally waterproof, meaning you can easily wash it directly in the sink without a single second thought. Furthermore, the device intelligently features a big, elegant, and exceptionally bright backlit display that automatically rotates depending on exactly how you hold it, making it absolutely perfect for left-handed use or awkward, hard-to-reach angles over a deep, smoky barrel. Every single unit proudly comes with a hand-signed, NIST traceable calibration certificate, definitively proving its exacting performance standards right out of the cardboard box. It does not heavily rely on complex companion apps, finicky Wi-Fi networks, or frustrating Bluetooth pairing processes. It purely relies on flawless, instantaneous mechanical performance. Outro. That's all for today.